Hi everyone, welcome back to my vlog. And ayan, grabe, ilang attempts na yung ginagawa ko actually to do a vlog about me moving in this new condo, but hindi ko talaga siya magawa for some reason. But it's been a month, actually more than a month, since I moved in. And obviously naman sa boses kung may sakit ako right now. I think mainly because amihan season na and nagka-catch up na yung pagod from the past few weeks ever since I started moving out of my previous dorm and back here, in here sa new condo unit where I'm staying. Ang daming setup and stuff. So yun. But I just want to share this milestone to whoever is going to watch this video. Wala lang. At saka ano lang din. Just a good reminder for me that, girl, 1.5 months ka na dito. Sobrang surreal, I would say. Sana hindi pa sunog yung niluluto ko. Pero yeah, yun yung automatic feeling. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. As in, a lot of times that I'm here at night, pag natutulog na ako dun sa kama, kasi finally may cabinet na ako, so hindi na nakakalat yung damit ko sa kama. So nakakatulog na ako sa kama, but it has been a month since I've been sleeping dito sa sala na to. Kasi dito lang ako natutulog kasi nga, andun yung mga gamit ko sa kama. Kasi wala pa akong cabinet. It has, this condo has a built-in cabinet already, but it's too small for my things. So, I had to buy another cabinet. So, ayun. Wait, I'ma check muna yung niluluto ko and then I'll just go back. Okay. Wait lang. So, I'm back. So, hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo or maririnig niyo na nag-aaway din. Hindi ko alam kung nag-aaway din yung kapitbahay ko. But yeah, whatever. So, today is a Sunday. It's the 14th of September. Uy! Naalala lang ako, charing. And, ayun, kanina I took a pause kasi nagluluto ako. Thankfully, hindi naman siya nasunog, pero lumabas na yung cheese niya. So, I tried to make it look cute, but failed. Kasi, ang pangit ng nozzle nung garlic. Ano tayo to? Yung garlic sauce na nabili ko. So, ayan, mukha siyang may weird thing dito sa ibabaw. Whatever. So this is chicken and chives, something like that. And then, dahil maulan today, medyo tumila naman ah. Pero kanina maulan. So sabi ko, mag-noodles ako kasi wala lang. Iniwasan ko talaga to nung may sakit ako, so I cook. Pero parang, okay, ngayon, tinatamad ako. So I got, yung samyang na carbonara. Pero hindi ko nilagay lahat ng sauce. Just put, I think, half. And then I cooked it in sobrang konting water with normal milk and with almond milk. Yeah, yung favorite almond milk ko. Siguro next time na yung kung ano yung mga favorite na binibili ko sa grocery lately. Wow! Kala mo naman may nanonood, but whatever. So yun. I've been sick. As I mentioned earlier, I've been sick for days. Naka-SL ako sa office. Because this is, sabi ng nurse namin, it's a viral thing. That's why my illness is accompanied by body malaise. So may pain sa joints and stuff. Plus, I'm old, okay. I think it comes with it. So, ayun. As mentioned earlier, then, parang very professional email. I moved into this condominium unit here in BGC. Pero nandito ako sa north side ng BGC, I would say. And I'm quite happy where I am right now, mainly because yung location nitong condo is about less than 2 kilometers away from the office, so very walkable naman, except pag muulan or kapag may sakit ako. Pero walkable pa din naman siya kahit umuulan. Tapos, very near ako sa Mandaluyong Bridge. Nakikita ko pa rin yung Mandaluyong area. Sobrang saya kasi may windows, may veranda, but I rarely go out sa veranda, hindi ko pa siya nalilinis. nalilinis. Hindi ko pa nalilinis actually yung buong house. Basta nag-move in lang ako. Tapos parang as long as livable siya, punas-punas dito, walis-walis ng konti. But really deep clean, hindi pa. Hopefully magawa ko na siya soon. Ayun, basta happy lang ako kasi my broker has been super helpful. I initially requested, actually isa lang naman yung request ko na major, and that is to move the bed near the window kasi gusto ko talaga na malapit sa window. So sobrang happy kasi, ayun, I wake up sa maliwanag. Tapos sa gabi, di ko na kailangan ng lights kasi ang liwanag na din kasi nga unobstructed pa yung view ko right now. So maliwanag from the lights of EDSA. Promise, yung lights ng EDSA sobrang bright. Dapat na silang kasuhan. So yun. Kita ko from the side of EDSA sa may Guadalupe Bridge. Kita ko yun. Hanggang dito sa may bridge sa Mandaluyong. Actually, JP Morgan, dun pa sa may side na yun. Kita ko din. Sobrang saya kasi ang lawak na nakikita ko. It's about 180 degrees view, I would say. So yun, nakaka-happy. Kasi mahilig ako sa mga ganong views. Plus yun, parang looking at the views makes me think malayo pa, pero malayo na. And at the end of the day, I don't forget to just be thankful kung nasan ako ngayon. So yun. Hindi ko alam kung natatahin nyo ba, basta gusto ko lang magkwento na ayun na nga, nakalipat na nga ako. Tapos, hindi pa ako makapag-invite ng friends over kasi nga, hindi ko pa nadidip, pinahihiya pa ako. But anyway, may mga best friends naman ako na dumalo na dito. So yun, 2 days na akong, no, it's actually 1 week na ako may sakit. Hanggang ngayon may sakit pa rin ako, but thankfully, I was able to like fully rest yesterday, nung Friday. And nung kahapon. So ngayon, I have a little bit of energy. I think I need to push through dun sa bridal fair I signed up for, which is in Rockwell. Kasi yun nga, check pa yung mga suppliers and stuff for the parties that I am coordinating. Mag-business na kaya ako, no? Na wedding coordinator. Para masaya. Ano, buti na lang. Chinese tong mga kapitbahay ko. Kasi hindi ako makachismis ng mga cheka nila sa live. Kasi ang lakas, nadidinig ko talaga yung cheka nila. Mga check ba? Charing. Oh my God, mababash ako nito. Pero anyway. Ayun, naririnig ko talaga. Hindi ko alam kung dahil babukas tong windows ko right now. Or malakas lang talaga yung boses nila. Pero in fairness, ko lang naman sila narinig. Hindi ko naman sila narinig. Itong mga nakaraang araw. Wala naman ako masyado ikukwento. I mean, yun na yun eh. Nakapag-move na ako. My rent here, actually, nung naghahanap ako ng bahay dito sa BGC, what I learned is that the minimum rent is actually for a 1-bedroom unit. And sometimes a studio unit is at 40,000 pesos. Swerte mo na kung makakahanap ka ng 35K. Pero I think yung 35K na yon is that, is like, meron ng mga tumira before you, ganon. But newly turned over units, or yung mga units na hindi pa masyadong gamit na gamit, are, yun nga, ranging minimum at 40K. And that's actually around 35 square meters. Which is still within the BGC area. Not bad, I would say, kasi it would, if you're the type of person who values time, rest, and stuff, it's what you're gonna get eh. You get home early, ganyan. So yun. Hindi talaga ako magandang kumain. Ano yan? Ang sad. But anyway, ano pa ba? My unit came, I came in this unit na fully furnished na siya. Thankfully, the only few things that I need to bring are my personal stuff, Wala lang siyang kawali, pero may induction na siya. Meron ng cabinet, but it's not enough for my stuff. But in fairness, sobrang well thought of tong unit na to. The TV isn't that big, but I'm not really a TV person. May iPad naman ako. Plus, if I bring in bisitas, I don't think manonood kami ng TV. So, okay lang naman sa akin kahit walang TV. The dining only comes with 2 chairs. Pero wala naman ako masyadong... I mean, the unit's not that big for me to host a party, so I think it's just enough. May AC na, may ref na. May washing machine, pero walang dryer yung washing machine, as in, laba lang. Oh, by the way, sobrang nakatulong sa akin itong ginger something, lemon ginger something, ng mga Korean something. Yung may, basta yon nasa bote. Sobrang naging helpful nun sa akin kasi yung turmeric ko na iwan ko sa office. Well, sana hindi ako ihitin na ubo kasi ang anghang nito. Ang ganda talaga ng lighting dito sa may sala. Dahil dapat umaga pala ako nag-film. Kasi pag gabi, narinig niyo ba yun? Ano siya nag-aaway dito sa labas? Siya parang dito galing eh. Anyway. Tapos, yung unang tumira dito after it was turned over to the owner, tumira lang dito na 6 months, tapos hindi naman masyadong natirhan talaga kasi parang halfway house lang yan. So maayos naman talaga siya. It comes with an aircon already. Hindi lang siya split type, but I think it's fine. Hindi din naman ako may aircon na tao pag ako lang mag-isa. At plus, ang lakas nitong merong ceiling fan. Ang lakas niya. So, sobrang nakaka-happy naman. Tapos yun, personal stuff, yun na lang nadala. Saka mga containers, I mean, storage solutions. Yun. Shoe rack, yun. Yung pala, binili ko. Kasi may kasama siyang shoe rack, pero for 5 shoes lang. Hindi naman madami sapatos ko, pero more than 5 kasi siya. So yun. So, nag-Shopee ako ng... May microwave na din. So, nag-Shopee lang ako ng yung takip ng microwave. Ayun. Siguro ang kailangan lang bilhin is the humidifier, which is I think is an essential for people who are living in condos. Kasi kalaban talaga namin ng humid. And air purifier kasi pag binuksan mo naman yung bintana to fight humidity, shoota! Ang alikabok ng Maynila. Intense. Okay, so yun. Ano pa ba? Yeah, and a few books na hindi ko pa lang nabubuksan pa. Kasi babad ako, kaka-scroll about golf. So I picked up a new, not really a sport, I'm not a sporty person. I think it's gonna be a hobby. Which is golf. It's a weekly thing na nasimulan lang namin kasi yung boss ko nag-golf nung nag-iya siya. So parang I tried it and then boom, it's fun. Puts you in the zone actually. It's a good sport. So yun yung pinagkakaabalahan ko right now. How to be good at golf. Ano pa ba? Yun, May, June, July, August. I'm turning 5 months in my new work. So far, so good. But I think my progress is really slow. And hopefully, it could do better. Ngayon pa lang kasama internet to. So, hindi ko alam kung papakapit ako ng internet or I'm just gonna go prepaid para less hassle kasi less commitment. Kasi you know, commitments are hassle. Sorry. Ano pa ba? yun lang. Wala na ako makulanto eh. Ang ingay pa yung kapitbahay ko, hindi ako mapag-concentrate. Kasi siguro next time na lang. Yung story time. Plus gagawa ko ng parang questions about moving in. Okay? So yeah, just a little bit update. A little update about where I am right now. So I hope you're having a good day today. I'm most likely gonna be uploaded Monday na. Today's a Sunday. Hopefully tomorrow. So yeah, bye!